I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com. Today we're going to do a quick review on the Motonation Campeon short leather riding gloves. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Motonation, what the heck is that, right? Motonation is a company that's been distributing high quality motorcycle apparel for decades in the United States of America. They have now, for the first time, developed their own product. It has their name on it. They've used suppliers they've worked with for years with other brands that they've done. They've refined designs that they have had a lot of experience with, using vendors they know are good to bring you quality products at a really affordable price. And they're actually taking the time to ride in each of the items themselves as riders to make sure that they're functional. They get the things done that you want done. They feel the way that a rider would want it to feel. These gloves retail for $49.95. That is really affordable. When you take a quick look at them, the stitching is tidy. The quality of the material, it looks good. They feel good when you've got your hand on it, and they actually feel pretty robust for $49.95. That's why I'm taking the time to do this. Not everybody has $120 for a short pair of leather gloves, and I think these really fit that segment that are looking for something that's, a little more subtle. That's the only logo that's on them. Quality from a good company with a real warranty, and because their catalog is so narrow, they're not offering a tremendous range of products. We have a handful of jackets, a couple of pants, and a couple of gloves. Very simple. They're able to take the time to focus and ride in it. Full leather construction, ton of perforation, motion panels where they need to be. Knuckle protector, it's got a tunnel system, there's foam behind it. Reflectives here. Entry and exit is managed right here. Sizing. I usually wear a 2X. They fit and feel as I would expect. I would say they're just very average in terms of sizing. I think for most people, order the size you normally wear, you're probably going to get a good, comfortable fit. Double layer of leather here in the palm, a little memory foam behind it, touchscreen compatible on the fingers and the thumbs, so you don't have to take them off to operate your GPS or your smartphone while you're out riding. The pull, instead of just pulling on the neoprene, they have a little bit of leather there, so you can pull on that. You're not just pulling the gloves apart. I like it. I like the quality. I really like the price point, and I think this is something the industry has kind of needed, a real go-to quality brand that doesn't break the bank. These are the Motonation short leather riding gloves, $49.